So hello guys, today we'll be looking at JavaScript destructuring. So in JavaScript, destructuring is concerned with extracting values from objects or arrays and assigning them to variables. And all this can be done in one clean line of code. So we can destructure objects. We can also destructure arrays. We'll start with objects. I want to create an object now of a user. Let user be equal to an object. So I'm going to give him a name set to James. And I also give this user an age set to 30. Now, what I want to do is I want to get the name method and the age method and store it in a separate variable. So this is how we handle destructuring objects in JavaScript. You create a constant of empty object brackets, since we're destructuring objects in this case, and assign it to the name of the object we're trying to destructure. Okay? Then we call the name of the property whose value we want to isolate, name in this case. So once I send name to my console now, my console is going to read James because we've destructured name. Now we can even do more than just this. We can decide to destructure name and store it in a variable called X, just like this. So instead of sending name, we send X. And if we do that, it reads the same James. So we can destructure it and also create a new variable for it. And that's how we destructure objects. We could also destructure arrays. Let me create an array. So let fruit be equal to apple, mango, and melon. So the way we destructure arrays is this. We follow the same syntax. We're going to create constant of array brackets. And we'll say it's going to be equal to the name of the array we want to destructure. Fruit. Now, in here, if I pass in A represents the first value in the array, B represents the second value in the array. That's how it works. So if I send to my console A and B, well, my console should be reading both apple and mango, just like it is now, apple and mango. So we've been able to store apple in a variable called A and mango in another variable called B. So that's how we destructure in JavaScript.